Most people are spending way too much on an option leap contract than they could be. So for example, wouldn't it be great if instead of paying $1,000 for a single option leap contract that you just spent $500? It'd be a lot more beneficial from a capital efficiency standpoint. And also, if you don't win or the stock goes against you, you don't lose as much. This would be fantastic. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Sasha, the options coach, and I've been teaching people to trade options over the last decade, from classes to books and courses. And one of the latest things that we did was we talked about the atomic leaps. So about how to trade leaps properly. So this way you're not overpaying for leaps and not getting burned in terms of some of the other risks associated with trading leaps. Now, if you're interested in more some of the classes we do, I've done quite a handful here recently. Feel free to reach out, comment down below, or send us a note, or book a quick little call on our website at optionsblackbelt.com. Now, in either case, one of the big issues with leaps is if we go here to target and we pull it up, there's target 454 days out. This option leap right here to get the stock to 120 is $1,000. But what if I could show you that you can actually save quite a bit of money going in with something a little bit different, but still having a similar exposure? So here, by doing an option leap and going further out, we are now looking for an upside move and an upside benefit to this stock. But the big problem behind this is that now if this goes against me, okay, I'm losing or risking $1,000. Now my delta here is 42, which basically means I've got about 42 shares of stock, or for every dollar move up, I am making $42. Now, if the stock goes up $2, that's about $84 of profit from a price basis. Now, here's the issue with this is that when we go in to this, the cost is $1,000. Okay, so that means I'm paying something for $1,000. But what if I could go in is instead of doing a single leap contract right here for $1,000 buying this thing, what if I could sell something else over here for, let's say, $300? That would mean $10 minus $3 gives me a $700 total overall. So that means that I'm making back some of the money from selling a call against it. And you can look at the max loss here is $770. So what you're doing here is structuring in a way a vertical spread on an option leap. And this way you still get the benefit of the upside move, but what you're doing is capping a little bit of that upside to save money and reduce the end costs. Now, not to mention, you're also getting a little bit of a theta benefit. So instead of doing a theta of negative 1.7, you're getting a theta of negative 0.6. The Vega also drops to about 14 from 43. So that's also quite a bit of benefit. But at the end of the day, you're saving about 30% on the cost. So think about it. Instead of $1,000, I'm only paying $700. And I could even bring this in closer if you're willing to say, look, I'm okay with an upside move. I don't need as big of an upside move. And if I do that, I save even more money. So now I can save 40%, giving me almost a loss of $665 instead of the $1,080. So this is the huge power behind really understanding leaps and how they work and how they operate, is that you don't have to spend as much money or capital to making them cost effective, right? A lot of people, they go out and they buy these leaps and they're much more expensive than they need to be because they're looking for a huge upside. And the only reason to get only single calls right here, or just that, is that you're looking for a huge explosive move. But if you're starting to see an explosive move and you're starting to see that move starting to move to go to the upside or go in your favor, you could go in and get another leap, right? Because it's probably not going to react within the first couple of days or in the first couple of weeks. Maybe a month or two later, you go ahead and get a new leap because you're seeing this movement starting to move higher and move higher and move higher. And what you can do is go out and get yourself a new leap or close down the one you have and move some of these processes or move some of the strikes out there. So rather than going in from the 120 to the 150, you close this down for a little bit of profit. And then you repeat the process, and now maybe you go to the 140 and a 160 or 70. And that allows you to keep rotating through this position as the stock keeps appreciating. You're not confined to fully sticking in this position forever until the 150. You can always pull it off for a profit and reset the position. So that's the huge part behind option leaps, is that many people don't get that when they go in and they buy this single option contract right here, and we're looking at buying this leap, we're looking for a major upside move. But this upside move to get this big explosion costs us a lot of money. And if we're willing to give up just some of it, I'm not talking about giving up all of it. I'm talking about just a little bit. You're getting a lot more in return by saving money over here on this downside, right? So that is the huge win there. It's kind of like looking for, let's say a sandwich costs $15 at a restaurant, but what if you had a coupon for something that says $3 off? Why wouldn't you go ahead and take it? You've got a coupon. It saves you quite a bit on a percentage basis. That's quite a bit. And the same thing here. If you're doing this time and time again, especially on a percentage, if you're saving 20 to 30% on thousands of dollars, right? Not just hundreds of dollars, but if you're doing this in thousands of dollars and your account size is 20, 50, $100,000, maybe it's $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, you're going to save a lot more money than just buying single options. And that is the huge power behind this. By selling an extra call against it, it allows you to really cut the costs behind doing these option leaps. So anyways, that's what I want to share with you, give you a little insight. It's a direct thing that we just did in our latest class from Atomic Leaps. By all means, feel free to reach out if you've got questions. Send me a quick note in the comments below if you're interested in these kinds of classes, or reach out on our website, book a quick call, and I'll be happy to chat with you a little bit more based on your personal situation of where you're at. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Truly appreciate it. Hope you got a lot out of this video and gave you a little few things to think about how you can save some money on trading option leaps. Thanks again, and I will see you on the next one.